Hey, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a file upload form in Blogger. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Blogger, just click on the Create Your Blog Account option in the upper right corner, and by following the on-screen instructions, you are all set. Now, once you are here, adding a file upload form to your Blogger website can offer a lot of advantages because, for one, I believe that a file upload forms allow visitors to interact with your website by submitting files such as images, documents, or media. Now, this can enhance user engagement and encourage visitors to participate in your site's content creation and process. Now, for you to be able to add a file upload form in Blogger, you need to go to the left side panel of your dashboard and click on the pages, right? And from here, all you're gonna do is we already created a file upload form in Blogger content, but for this video, we're going to click on the add a new page. And from here, all we're gonna do is rename the title, right? Now, make sure in the upper left corner, you make sure that you are in the compose view. I'm sorry, that's gonna be an HTML view, all right? Because if you put the codes that we are going also to put in the description, you're gonna encounter an error, all right? Now, once you put the code in this editor, you need to click on the preview page, right? So you can have an idea what it looks like. It's obviously, it says in preview mode, and you can have the option on the smartphone or the tablet or in your desktop version. Now, once you are happy, just go to the live editor and click on publish. Click on confirm, and once you've done that, you will be directed here. As you can see, it's already on the very top. Now click on the view option. All right, let's see if the code works. Now, basically the code works right here because, and as you can see, you already have the add a file upload form here. Now, if you wanted to add any media like images, documents, or video, I suggest you use any platform that you wanted. Say, for example, I am using Adobe Photoshop, and if I am happy with this image that I wanted to upload on the upload form on my Blogger, I'm gonna save it. Now, I can also use a platform called Bunny Optimizer because from here, large image files can be significantly slowed down your site. Now, you can use this platform to compress images without losing quality. So if you save the Adobe photo image earlier for your blog, ensure you're using the appropriate image format, which is like JPEG, PNG, and size for each image on your blog. Now, once you're happy, right, save it, upload it to this option right here, choose a file, locate the file on the directory on this specific folder that you have saved it, and obviously just click on the submit form. All right, save it. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.